Are you looking for things to do for Christmas in Dallas, Texas? We put together a list of our favorite things for the Christmas holidays. Number 1 on the list is visiting Dallas Arboretum. Walk through the garden to see 12 25-foot tall decorated Victorian-style gazebos that represent each of the 12 days of Christmas. Explore a European-style Christmas village with almost 20 feet tall houses which represent different businesses including a bakery, a candy shop, Santa's house, butcher and other. Each house features illustrations found in authentic European Christmas markets. In the evenings, the garden comes to life for a beautiful nighttime experience with over 1 million lights. Next on the list is to come visit Frisco Square. Frisco Square features the largest choreographed holiday lights and music show in North Texas. Visitors may tune into 107.3 FM on the radio in their vehicles or listen to the music through the speakers as they walk through the square. It has over 180,000 lights and 200 dancing snowflakes. There is also a real outdoor ice rink that provides the perfect ice skating experience to get you and your family in the holiday spirit. You can also rent a horse carriage or take a photo with Santa. Another popular place is Dallas Galleria. The Dallas Galleria features the nation's tallest indoor Christmas tree, which is 95 feet tall. The tree illuminates 4 times a day for a special light show choreographed to magical sounds of the season. The Dallas Galleria also has North Pole Express with Santa Claus. Next to Santa, there is another Christmas attraction called Snow Day Dallas, which is filled with festive photo ops. Grapevine is also called the Christmas capital of Texas, and during the Christmas holiday season it is the perfect place to create wonderful Christmas memories with your family and friends. It is filled with fun activities, events, Christmas lights. Walk down the main street and see hundreds of thousands of Christmas lights and decorations. There are many cool shops including Santa's workshop. Take a memorable photo with Santa at the North Pole Express General Store. You can also take a ride in Grapevine Vintage Railroad's North Pole Express to experience the magic of Christmas. Tickets for the North Pole Express rides sell out very quickly, so you might want to buy them in advance. Another popular attraction located in Grapevine is Gaylord Texan Resort. Explore acres of magnificent decorations with more than 2 million holiday lights. Experience spectacular holiday activities and events. There is a Christmas village that has activities like building your own snowman, Santa's snow throw, ice skating rink, snow tubing hill, and a new attraction called I Love Christmas Movies, where you can walk through the most iconic scenes from your favorite movies. There are a total of 13 scenes with replicas from movies like The Polar Express, Elf, A Christmas Story, National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation and The Year Without a Santa Claus. When it comes to neighborhood Christmas lights, there are 2 neighborhoods in DFW that stand out: Deerfield in Plano and Highland Park. Drive slow in your own car or rent a horse carriage to marvel at the nicely decorated homes in these neighborhoods. Visit Six Flags for holiday at the park. During the holiday season, Six Flags transforms into a winter wonderland with over 1 million lights, holiday entertainment, festive decor, and seasonal treats. During holidays, Vitruvian Park converts to magical wonderland with over 1.5 million sparkling lights. Walk through the park, enjoy the view, and grab dinner at local restaurants. There are other Christmas activities in DFW, we covered only the ones we visited and liked. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.